Hey crypto fans, today we're comparing Zignaly to other trading platforms. Let's figure out if this one's the one for you. Let's break it down. Zignaly is a crypto tool that's all about automation and copying pros. Unlike many platforms that charge monthly fees, Zignaly is free to use, only paying when you profit. Most others, you're coughing up cash upfront, win or lose. It's got copy trading, follow expert moves, and trading bots for hands-off action. Other platforms offer bots too, but Zignaly ties in TradingView for charts and signals, which not everyone does. Setup's fast. Link an exchange like Binance, pick a trader, and go. Others can feel clunkier or need more tinkering. What's the catch? Zignaly supports fewer exchanges. Think 5 versus dozens on some rivals. And its interface? Simple, but it might lag a bit compared to flashier options. Still, with over 430,000 users, it's got trust. Others might boast bigger numbers, but not always that community vibe. So, Zignaly wins with the free access, profit sharing, and ease. Others might edge out with more exchanges or advanced tools for pros. Beginners love Zignaly's simplicity. Seasoned traders might crave more control elsewhere. That's it, guys. Zignaly's great if you want affordable automation. Others shine if you need options galore. What's your pick? Comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.